Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new topic, and the name of the topic is Months of the Year. Months of the Year. Children, what is this? Yes, this is a calendar. You might have seen it at your home, right? Yes. Now, children, tell me, what do we see in this calendar? Yes, we see month, year, days, and dates. Yes, we see month, year, days, and dates. Yes. Now, children, I am going to show you one of the month of the year. Okay. So, for example, this is July month. Okay, this is July month and year 2021. Now, children, for example, today's date is 7 July. So, where is 7? Yes, 7 July. And day, what is the day on 7th July? Yes, Wednesday. Wednesday. Yes. So, children, all of you understood? Yes. How to see the calendar? Okay. Now, children, do you know there are 12 months in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. Children, there are 12 months in a year. Let's see. Okay. Yes. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So, children, there are 12 months in a year. How many months? There are 12 months in a year. Okay. So, once again, we will say the months of the year. Okay. All are going to repeat after teacher. Yes. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes, there are 12 months in a year. Okay. Now, children, do you know there are 7 months which have 31 days and 4 months which have 30 days, and February month has 28 days. But in a leap year, February month has 29 days. Okay. So children, I will teach you very easy and fun way to remember days in a month. Okay. So let's see. Children, hold your hand like this. Okay. Now here what you can see, upper part, lower part, upper part, lower part, upper part, lower part, upper part. Okay. Upper part means knuckles. What we call knuckles. Okay. So children, months coming on the upper part has 31 days and months coming on the lower part has 30 days. Okay. So now let's see. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. Children, I will also teach you one song to remember days in a month. Okay. So let's see. Yes. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 excepting February, which has 28 days clear and 29 each leap year. Okay. Once again we will say yes. Now all of you repeat after me. Okay. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 excepting February, which has 28 days clear and 29 each leap year. Okay, all of you understood, children? Yes. Children, it's an activity time. Yes. Children, some are having birthday in January month. Some are having birthday in February month. Yes. Same way, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday comes in the month of October. Yes. 2nd October. Children, tell me, who is he? Right, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi is father of the nation. When does birthday come? Mahatma Gandhi's birthday comes in the month of October. In the month of October. What is the date? 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday comes in the month of 2nd October. Okay. Now children, what is this? Yes, this is a calendar. Yes. Now I am going to circle Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday. Okay, in this calendar. So for this we need correct month. Okay, as you know, Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday comes in the month of October. Yes, that is 2nd October. Okay, so now we will see October. Which month is this? January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. Yes, Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday comes in the month of October. That is 2nd October. Second means 2 years. See, second means 2. So now I am going to circle this date. Okay. Like this. Yes. Okay. So Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday comes in the month of October. And the date is 2nd to October. Okay, children? All of you understood? So now, what you all are going to do? Yes? Now, children, one activity you have to do at home. Ask your mama to give calendar and ask to see the correct month. What you are going to do? You are going to circle your birth date. Okay, in the calendar. Okay, children? All of you understood? Okay. Children, let's have a recap. Now, children, how many months are there in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Which are they? Yes. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes. Okay. Now children, what we have learned today? Yes, months of the year. So you all are going to practice months of the year at home. Okay? Thank you children. Bye bye. Take care.